Alright, in video number 3, we're at the Tucson Cars and Coffee at the Lowe's on Ina Road. It's really cool that Lowe's does this. Big shout out to them. Beautiful Chevy convertible. It's awesome. Still getting used to these car shows in Arizona. Started 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm so used to car shows at nighttime back in New York where we're freezing. That's alright. Nice BMW. This is interesting. How much fun is this?
I'm amazed we put bigger tires on. Good job. So you just keep that car looking good for me.
Oh, this is fun.
You just take care of it all, and anything it needs, I give it.
I said a fly.
I was going to bring it today because I was going to have to hold that hose online.
Yeah, you wouldn't have had it. Yeah.
I wouldn't have had it, and I just didn't want to drive it
pickup truck.
because where it was leaking. I think it was starting to leak a little bit under pressure.
You blow that hose, you're done.
Yeah, and with this hot
Nice
weather,
BMW.
you got more hotter and more pressure. So I thought,
Now the BMW convertible. Nice soft top on there. Beautiful Ford pickup truck. Look at this thing, that's beautiful. Good morning. It's beautiful.
This is a nice one. Is this yours?
No, I wish. I'd be divorced if I brought this home. Oh, let's go back to this pickup truck. Look at the interior. It's all Route 66. Oh, that's really, really nice. Beautiful interior. Let's go back to this Ford. Do a little walk around. Check out the tailgates of both of them. Why not? It's nice to get the Ford logo in them. It's a 66. Yeah, beautiful. And a cup holder right in the seat. That's great. Yeah, this guy's obviously an airbrusher too.
No, we came down and I saw where I was parked. Well, that's Mike's Roadster and Earl's truck. That truck was nice. And then Tony.
Very low to the ground.
Where on is it next to you on the right?
Look how low this is. This is not even up to my chest. You got beautiful Delta 88. Beautiful Oldsmobile. That is so nice and clean. We got a Ford Coupe Roadster. Beautiful dashboard.
I like your dog.
you're gonna make my
convertible. There's a beautiful Ford pickup truck coming in. Nice. Full tank cleaner. I love it. Camaro SS. Somebody's running some special fuel. Wow, does it stink. Anyway, let's go back. That's beautiful. Beautiful white interior. Beautiful Oldsmobile. I like the shifter. We got a nice BMW convertible next to a 442.
Okay, that's great. But you got player house and stuff like that.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
And I've got the biggest number of Holy